What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Nazareth, and as you guys can see by the title, I'm going to show you how I do this really quick and easy curly ponytail look. I love doing these looks when my hair is short because that's the only time I could do it, so I'm taking advantage of it, especially now that the weather is getting warmer and I don't want my hair on my neck. So yeah, it's not really hard, but I just wanted to show you guys just in case you guys were having difficulties or you guys needed extra tips on it. So yeah guys, keep watching the video to see how I ended up with this curly pineapple. Hey guys, so I start off with a deep conditioner. You can start off with any cream, deep conditioner that you want. I just feel like deep conditioners really just make the frizz go away from the front area of my hair and my hair in general. So my tip to you guys is to try and avoid wetting your hair. This will make your hair droop and it will make your pineapple droop. So I try my best not to wet my hair and just apply as much conditioner as I think is needed. So then I go ahead and brush my hair with this very soft bristled comb. That's another tip for you guys. Don't use harsh combs just because you don't want your curls or the curls that you may have on whatever day hair you're doing the style on to go away completely. I just want the front of my hair or my edges to be laid down. So then I just did 2 loops right in the center of my head just so the pineapple can fall perfectly in the center, not too back, not too front. Oh, God bless you, girl. Now it's time to sleek down these struggle edges that I have. I wasn't blessed, but it's okay. I go in with the Frederick Benjamin Sleek Water Pomade. I only use a little bit of it because it has a strong hold, and like I said, I barely have edges, so I don't need a lot. And yeah. Then I apply a little bit more of the deep conditioner to the pineapple part of my hair just to take away some of that frizziness. But honestly, I love frizziness. It just makes the pineapple a lot bigger. And that is it, you guys. These are my final results. Not too complicated, super easy, super simple, and yeah. Alright guys, that is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoy. Give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Always remember to love yourselves, and I will see you guys on my next one.